Imagine waking up one morning to a sky that has forever changed. The planets, those familiar wandering lights that have inspired stories, guided explorers, and sparked scientific revolutions, are gone. Only Earth remains, lone in the vast expanse of the solar system. What would happen if, in an instant, every other planet disappeared, leaving our world adrift in an empty celestial neighborhood? The immediate aftermath would be eerily silent. The night sky would look emptier than ever. With no Venus blazing at dawn or dusk, no red dot of Mars, no colossal Jupiter or ring Saturn, stargazers would notice the absence right away. But the consequences wouldn't just be visual. The solar system is a delicate dance of gravity, and every planet plays a role, no matter how distant it seems. Without the gravitational pull of Jupiter, often called the solar system's cosmic vacuum cleaner, Earth would face a new and dangerous reality. For billions of years, Jupiter's massive presence has helped shield Earth from countless asteroids and comets, drawing in or deflecting objects that might otherwise threaten our planet. With Jupiter gone, Earth would become more vulnerable to impacts from rogue asteroids and icy visitors from the outer reaches. The chances of catastrophic collisions would increase, making our world a more hazardous place. The loss of other planets would also disrupt the subtle gravitational relationships that stabilize Earth's orbit. While the sun's pull keeps us in our path, the planets tug and nudge at each other, helping maintain a delicate balance. If all those influences suddenly vanished, Earth's orbit might become slightly more elliptical over millions of years, leading to greater extremes between hot summers and cold winters. Our axial tilt, responsible for the changing seasons, could also become less stable, potentially resulting in unpredictable climate shifts far into the future. But not all the consequences would unfold over a long period of time. Some changes would be immediate and profound. The tides, for example, would be largely unaffected, since they are driven by the moon. But there would be no more rare alignments like planetary conjunctions to inspire awe or superstition. Calendars and astrology would lose their centuries-old ties to the wandering planets. Human culture would feel the loss in unexpected ways. Our myths and legends, our art and literature, are rich with references to Mars, Venus, Saturn, and the rest. The names of days and months, the stories of causes and heroes would suddenly feel disconnected from reality. Science, too, would face a new frontier of unanswered questions. Our understanding of planetary formation, evolution, and the origins of life have all been shaped by studying our neighbors. With Earth alone, the universe would seem more mysterious than ever. Space exploration would enter a new era of uncertainty. The dream of sending missions to Mars, of searching for life beneath Europa's icy crust, or of probing the gas giants for clues to our solar system's history, would vanish. Astronomers would turn their gaze outward, searching for other worlds far beyond our own. The loss could spark a renewed determination to find planets orbiting distant stars, to answer the question of whether we are truly alone, not just in the solar system but in the cosmos. Yet even in solitude, Earth would endure. The sun would continue its life-giving journey across the sky, the moon would wax and wane, and life would go on. But our sense of place in the universe would be forever altered. The absence of our planetary neighbors would remind us of how fragile, unique, and precious our home truly is. We would look up at the empty sky and realize that, in the cosmic dark, we are more alone than ever before, yet perhaps more aware of the need to cherish and protect the only world we have left.